A new ball, so shiny and round. Whose ball is that, Asad? It is lying near the masjid gate. Maybe someone forgot it there. I will just take it home for now. Asad, that is not our ball. No one is watching us right now. Allah is always watching, Asad. It's just a small ball, Abdullah. A small thing can still be wrong. Fine, I will keep it just today. That still means we are taking it. Come on, let's go play in the park. But this feels a little wrong.
Asad, whose new ball is this?
I found it near the masjid.
Did you ask anyone if it's theirs?
No, Ammi. I just brought it home.
Beta, taking without asking is not right.
But I really wanted a ball, Ammi.
Asad, come sit with me for a moment.
Yes, Abu. What is it?
A small mistake can carry a big lesson.
I don't understand what you mean, Abu.
Even Prophet Muhammad returned lost things always.
Even something very small, Abu?
Yes, honesty matters in small things too.
I feel bad now, Abu. I feel bad now, Abu. What should I do with this ball now?
Find out whose ball it truly is.
Let's ask near the masjid tomorrow morning. We will search for the owner. I could not sleep well, thinking about it. Guilty hearts don't rest easy, Asad. Tomorrow I will make this right, inshallah. I will help you find the owner.
Good morning, boys. Sleep well last night?
Not really, Ammi. I feel guilty. Let's go to the masjid right now. Yes, before Fajr crowd disperses, Asad. Salam, uncle. Did you lose a ball?
No, beta. That is not mine.
Let's ask the shopkeeper near the gate. Good idea. He sees everyone daily.
A red and blue ball, you say?
Yes. Do you know whose it is?
I think it belongs to little Yusuf.
Yusuf, the boy from the school? Yusuf lives near the big tree, right?
Yes, near the old mango tree.
Let's go there quickly, Abdullah. Wait, are you sure it's his? We should just ask him directly. Yes, that is the honest way. My ball! I lost it yesterday. Is this really your ball, Yusuf? Yes! I was searching everywhere for it. I'm sorry. I took it home. I cried so much looking for this. You took it? Why didn't you tell me? I made a mistake, Yusuf. Sorry. I cried so much looking for this. I feel really bad now, Yusuf. Asad wanted to return it, Yusuf. Then why keep it for 2 days? I was scared to admit my mistake. Being scared made it worse, Asad. You are right. I should have spoken earlier. Honesty is always the better choice. Yusuf, will you forgive him, please? I need a moment to think. Take your time, Yusuf. I understand. Thank you for finally telling the truth. Can we still be friends, Yusuf? Let's see how you behave ahead. Come on, let's walk back together. But I'm still a little upset. I understand, Yusuf. I truly am sorry. Sorry alone isn't enough sometimes, Asad. What else can I do to fix this? Show me through your actions, not words. I will help you find your lost kite too. Really? You would do that for me? Asad means it, Yusuf. He's changed. Let's see if that's true. Where did you last see your kite? Near the park, close to the swings. Let's search there before Maghrib comes. Yes, we still have some time. Look, a kite stuck in that tree. That looks exactly like my kite. How will we get it down safely? I will climb carefully and get it. Be careful, don't fall down. Don't worry, I will be careful. Got it! Here is your kite, Yusuf. Thank you so much, Asad. You really helped me get this back. I wanted to make things right. See? Actions speak louder than words. Yes, Asad proved himself today. I forgive you fully now, Asad. That means so much to me. I promise to always ask before taking. That's a good promise to keep. Let's go tell Ammi and Abu together. Yes, they will be happy to hear.
Asad, tell me, what happened today?
Ammi, I returned Yusuf's ball and kite.
I'm proud of you for fixing it.
Thank you, Ammi. It feels good.
Did Yusuf forgive you completely, Asad?
Yes, Abu. We are friends again.
Samaina Azayu, this is the beauty of honesty, beta.
I understand now, Abu. Truly.
Small mistakes teach us big lessons.
Yes, I won't repeat this mistake.
Let's invite Yusuf for dinner tonight.
That would be wonderful, Ammi. I'll go call Yusuf right now. Tell him we're waiting for him. Yusuf, come join us for dinner. Sure, I'll be there soon, Abdullah.
Welcome, Yusuf. We're happy you came.
Thank you for inviting me, Auntie.
Sit here, Yusuf, next to Asad.
Thank you, Uncle. Smells delicious. Yusuf, thank you for forgiving me. Everyone deserves a second chance, Asad.
Let's say Bismillah before we eat.
Bismillah! This biryani is really tasty, Auntie.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, Yusuf.
Yusuf, wanna play tomorrow together? Yes! Bring the ball this time. Haha! We'll all play together happily. It feels great being honest friends.
Boys, remember tonight's important lesson well.
Always return what isn't ours, Abu.
Speak truth, even when scared.
That's a beautiful lesson.
Who wants more biryani or dessert?
Me please, Ammi. It's so good. Good. Me too, please, Auntie. One more plate?
Coming right up, beta.
This has been such a fun evening. Yes, thanks to honesty and forgiveness. I'm glad we became better friends today. Me too, Yusuf. Truly grateful.
It's time for Isha prayer now, boys.
Let's all pray together, Abu. Can I pray with your family, Uncle?
Of course, Yusuf. Come along, beta.
Standing together in prayer feels special. Yes, this is true brotherhood, Abdullah.
After prayer, Yusuf's father will pick him up.
Yes, he's coming in 10. Thank you all for such a wonderful evening. Come again soon, Yusuf. Anytime. Goodbye, Yusuf. See you tomorrow, friend. Goodbye, everyone. Jazakallah khair.